Rule 17 guides the stand-on vessel to maintain course and speed, but stay ready to act if the give-way vessel fails. Awareness and timing keep the situation safe. Let's understand this. Rule 17 and safe action by the stand-on vessel.
Crossing situation. As long as the give-way vessel takes action, the stand-on vessel can maintain its course and speed. If the give-way vessel is not taking any appropriate action to avoid collision, the stand-on vessel should take one of the following actions. Either reduce speed or stop engines to allow the other vessel to pass clear, or alter course to starboard, take a full round turn, and pass astern of the other vessel. Do not cross ahead of the other vessel in compliance with observance of good seamanship mentioned in Rule 2A. If the owned vessel is passing close to a large anchored vessel or an island on her port side, then another vessel lying in the shadow of the anchored vessel or island may not be sighted by owned vessel visually or by radar. In such a situation, owned vessel may sight the other vessel only when it comes very close on her port side. Hence, the other vessel being a give-way vessel may not be able to take action on her own to avoid collision. So, owned vessel being a stand-on vessel should take such action as will best aid to avoid collision. Best action for her would be to stop engines and take all way off by operating astern propulsion.